Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a DIY enthusiast, a pro handyman, or just someone who likes to stay prepared for anything, a good toolbox set is an absolute game changer. Today, we're diving into the 5 best toolbox sets you should consider for your next project. If you want to see more information on the updated price of the products, make sure to check the product links down below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 5. OLOEY 68-in-1 Ratchet Screwdriver Set. This ratchet screwdriver set is designed to provide maximum toughness and durability, forged from high-quality chromium vanadium alloy steel. Whether you're in harsh environments or dealing with demanding tasks, this tool is built to last. Its anti-wear, anti-oxidation, and anti-corrosion properties make it perfect for tackling even the toughest jobs. The higher torque capacity ensures that every rotation delivers powerful results, giving you the confidence you need to get the job done. Now, let's talk about the design. The ratchet head provides just the right amount of torque, allowing for fast and easy tightening and disassembly. It has 3 different functions: forward, reverse, and a fixed position lock, so you're in complete control at all times. The ergonomic rubber handle is non-slip, offering you a comfortable grip. Even during extended use, you won't experience any hand fatigue, making your work much more efficient. One of the standout features of this set is the magnetic adsorption. The nut driver and screwdriver bits are equipped with a super strong magnet, ensuring that the bits stay firmly in place without the risk of falling off. The gravity press-in technology ensures that the magnets are embedded securely, giving the tool a longer service life and making it even more reliable. This set includes a variety of screwdriver bits and adapters, all designed to help you solve a wide range of problems. You'll find everything from adjustable screwdriver bits, short and compact sockets, to slim and short bits, and even multifunctional hexagonal keys. No matter the challenge, this set has got you covered. The 180-degree rotating ratcheting screwdriver handle, along with the extension rod and spring lever, is ideal for working in tight spaces. Whether you're working on appliances, electronics, or even your bicycle or car, this tool set will make your life so much easier. So, whether you're a professional or just a DIY enthusiast, the OLOEY 68-in-1 Ratchet Screwdriver Set is the perfect tool for any project. Its versatility, durability, and comfort make it a true game changer. Number 4. LIQU Screwdriver Set. The LIQU 38-in-1 Screwdriver Set is a versatile toolkit designed for both professionals and hobbyists. Whether you're working on motorcycles, bicycles, or electronic devices, this all-in-one set has you covered. Let's begin with the essentials. This set includes a precision ratchet screwdriver with 22 different bits and a 180-degree adjustable ratchet mechanism. This gives you a wide range of flexibility, especially when working in tight or hard-to-reach areas. Additionally, the ratchet driver comes with a flexible extension bar, which makes it easier to tackle tricky angles and corners. The ergonomic handle ensures a firm grip, reducing fatigue during extended use. The magnetic feature on the screwdriver bits makes it easy to swap them in and out, while the non-slip handle ensures full control with every twist and turn. Plus, the set includes a 2-way mini screwdriver that can lock into place, providing added convenience for precise work. Now, let's talk about materials. The ratchet driver and toolbar are made from premium CRV steel and aluminum alloy. This not only enhances durability but also improves rust resistance, ensuring the tools are built to last, even under heavy use. What really makes this set stand out is its wide range of applications. Whether you're repairing electronics like laptops, smartphones, tablets, or even watches and jewelry, this kit has the right bit for the job. It includes Phillips, slotted, hex, tri-wing, Torx, and specialized bits like U-shape and positive. The mini sockets range from M5 to M14, covering a broad spectrum of repair needs. In terms of size, the kit is compact and easy to carry, measuring 165 by 110 by 50 mm and weighing just under 800 grams. It's a perfect addition to any workshop or toolbox. If you're looking for a reliable, all-encompassing screwdriver set that can handle everything from electronics repairs to maintenance work on bikes and motorcycles, the LIQU 38-in-1 Screwdriver Set is definitely worth considering. Number 3. NEWBEAT Household Tool Set. The NEWBEAT Household Tool Set is a comprehensive 108-piece toolkit, perfect for home repairs, maintenance, and DIY projects. If you're looking for a versatile and high-quality toolkit, this one has everything you need to get the job done efficiently. This set features a range of high-quality, heat-treated steel tools designed to provide durability and strength. Whether you're working in narrow spaces or need tools for more delicate tasks, the combination spanner is ideal for those tight spots, and it's often used in car maintenance. The hex key set is essential for handling screws and bolts with 6-point or star-shaped indentations, and it comes with a wide variety of key sizes, ranging from 1.5 mm to 6 mm. This set is perfect for furniture assembly, bicycle repairs, or working with machinery. One standout feature of this toolkit is the 9.5 mm ratchet wrench. Made from heat-treated steel, it offers increased strength and hardness, making it perfect for car maintenance or any project that requires durable tools. For assembling furniture or working on bikes and motorcycles, the kit includes several useful pieces: a combination wrench 8 mm to 16 mm, a selection of sockets 8 mm to 22 mm, and a socket extension bar 9.5 mm. These tools make your job easier and more efficient. For daily home repairs, the set includes a nail hammer, Phillips and slot screwdrivers, various pliers, and a range of spanners. This toolkit is perfect for tackling simple tasks like fixing home appliances or handling basic repairs around the house. The bit set, hex sockets, parts box, insulation tape, adjustable wrench, needle nose pliers, precision screwdrivers, ratchet screwdrivers, and claw hammer all come together to make this toolkit incredibly versatile. Also included is a spirit level, tape measure, combination spanner, and hex keys, rounding out the collection and ensuring you're prepared for any DIY project or repair job. With its wide array of tools, the NEWBEAT Household Tools Set is a must-have for anyone who enjoys home improvement or needs a reliable toolkit for everyday repairs. Whether you're assembling furniture, doing home maintenance, or tackling more complex tasks, this set provides everything you need to get the job done right. Keep it handy for quick fixes or major projects. It's a great addition to any home. Number 2. DEKO DKMT 168 Toolbox. This high-quality tool set is forged from durable steel and finished with a high-polished chrome coating for strength, durability, and anti-corrosion protection. The tools meet or exceed ANSI critical standards, ensuring you're working with top-notch equipment. Whether you're a handyman, repairman, construction worker, or just someone who enjoys a good DIY project, this tool kit is the perfect solution for a wide variety of tasks. Inside this comprehensive set, you'll find a wide range of tools for most small repairs and DIY projects. It includes a selection of wrenches, ratchets, 1x4" and 3x8" metric size sockets, precision screwdrivers, hammers, tape measures, pliers, a wrench, and more. The 72-tooth ratchet easily switches directions with a simple flick of a 5-degree switch, making it easier to work in tight spaces. Plus, there's a variety of screwdriver bits, including Phillips, slotted, square, star, and posy bits, all stored in a convenient, easy-to-access case. For added comfort and control, the handles of the screwdrivers, pliers, stripper, and hammer feature a soft grip design. This makes it much easier to work for long periods without hand fatigue. When you're done working, storing this tool set is simple. The DEKO DKMT 168 comes in a blow-molded case with a sturdy interior that keeps everything in place and organized. Its unique black design is both dirt-resistant and stylish, and the diamond-shaped texture gives it a fashionable look. The compact size of the case, measuring 17.5 by 13.5 by 3.94 inches, makes it easy to store or carry wherever you need it. Every tool in this kit is made from high-quality materials, offering both beauty and wear resistance. The box itself is designed with tight card slots, so you can easily see and access each tool you need, keeping your projects neat and organized. Whether you're handling home decoration, general repairs, or manual DIY tasks, this toolbox is sure to meet your needs. The pliers in this set are built with a strong jaw that has clear texture and excellent clamping power, while the cutting edges are sharp, making it easy to cut through wire and other materials. The anti-slip handles ensure a comfortable and secure grip during use. For those tough jobs, the hammer is forged with CRV material, making it firm and durable. The hammer's ergonomic design, including a polished sheep horn head, makes it efficient for pulling nails and saving time and labor when working. The ratchet handle is another key feature. Made from high-quality CRV material and heat-treated for maximum durability, it offers strong impact resistance, a long service life, and the ability to handle tough jobs with ease. It's also compact and flexible, allowing you to connect the sleeve extension rod and other accessories for added versatility. For accurate measurements, the included tape measure is durable, fall-resistant, and easy to carry with its rope threading design. Whether you're measuring for painting or building, you'll have the precision you need for any project. Finally, the saw in this kit is built with a strong aluminum alloy frame and features an eye-shaped structure for extra strength. It's capable of sawing wood, plastic, fine metal, and more. The anti-skid handle ensures a comfortable grip, and you can easily adjust the tightness of the saw blade for your cutting needs. So, the DEKO DKMT 168 toolbox is the perfect addition to any home or workshop. It's packed with high-quality, durable tools that make any DIY project or repair job easier and more efficient. Whether you're an experienced professional or a beginner, this kit is designed to provide everything you need to get the job done right. Number 1. Cordless Multifunction Luxury Tool Set. First up, the cordless power drill is an essential part of this set. It's not just any drill. This electric drill makes your tasks much easier, helping reduce fatigue. With a cordless design, it's easy to handle, making drilling through wood, metal, plastic, and even the walls of your home a breeze. This drill is perfect for all your home essentials, from furniture assembly to general repairs. Along with the drill, this set includes a variety of other handy tools, all neatly stored in a compact, portable toolbox. The toolbox itself is durable and ensures you can keep everything organized while you're on the go. Now let's talk about the impact drill, which brings a whole new level of power. Whether you're tackling heavy-duty projects or just doing some simple repairs, this tool offers high performance. You can drill through tougher materials and handle more challenging tasks with ease. You'll also find an electric screwdriver, which is great for when you need a little extra power for screwing and unscrewing, especially in tight or hard-to-reach spaces. In addition, there are other key accessories, such as the glue gun, needle nose pliers, and an array of screwdrivers in various sizes. Whether you need to tighten screws, apply adhesive, or tackle precision tasks, these tools will make sure you're prepared for any job. The kit also comes with a variety of wrenches, including adjustable wrenches, cross screwdrivers, bit connecting rods, and screwdriver sets to meet all your tightening, assembling, and DIY needs. Plus, you get some extra accessories like the horizontal ruler, coupon ruler, and wire stripper for even more versatility. For those really tough jobs, there's a vise handle, claw hammer, and vise to help you secure your workpieces and get the perfect finish every time. With the multi-purpose wrench and pipe wrench, you'll be able to tackle plumbing and mechanical tasks with ease. Additionally, the set includes other useful tools like the soldering iron, needle nose pliers, safety hammer, and multimeter to help with electrical tasks, giving you the versatility you need for a variety of projects. And let's not forget about the impact drill. It's a tool you'll rely on for drilling through tough materials. With its high torque and speed, it's the perfect choice for projects that demand more power. Lastly, everything is packed into the Platinum Tool Set, the top-tier set that includes everything from an electric screwdriver and glue gun to the impact drill and soldering tools. With these high-quality tools, you'll have everything you need for any DIY or repair job, from simple fixes to major projects. So, this cordless multifunction luxury tool set is the perfect addition to any home workshop. It's designed to provide convenience, power, and versatility, ensuring that no task is too big or small. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this tool set will make your projects smoother and more efficient. So, there you have it, the 5 best toolbox sets that'll help you tackle any project with ease. Whether you're a beginner, a DIY pro, or a seasoned mechanic, there's something here for everyone. Let us know in the comments which set you would choose, or if we missed any great options. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.